In the follow-up of the murder of Harsha day before night, there was very tense situation in entire Shivamogga city and in the certain surrounding areas also. Immediately on knowing of the incident, the police have taken every precaution, and Sri Murugan, additional DGP, and the in charge IGP also rushed. Additional forces were rushed to Shivamogga, and a lot of arrangements were made by the Deputy Commissioner and the SP to ensure that the fallout from the murder doesn't spread and it doesn't create widespread law and order problems. So all the arrangements were made, and so yesterday the investigation as well commenced in the right earnest. All the accused have been identified by police. Already arrests have been made, and the other arrests will be made soon. And the information.
What is the situation?
Sir, how many arrests total till now and how many detained? There are conflicting reports about this.
2 arrests have been made, 1 detained, and he is under questioning, and they would reveal the results soon. The SP, so the district authorities would reveal the same. A couple of bikes, there was arson in one corner of the city, and that has been reported.
Also, sir, if you can tell us, we understand there is section 144 in place. Now, despite that, did you all actually fail to control the crowd? What was it?
No, all that will be examined, but only thing I would say that as far as 144 CRPC is concerned, prohibitory orders and whatever the ongoing things that have happened, all legal actions are being initiated, and I spoke to the DC and SP, and it will be done.
SP said that 4 more people have involved in this particular murder, apart from those 2, totally 6. Have you sent any special team outside Shivamogga district to detain or arrest them, or what is the update status of that?
No, you see, yesterday Mr. Murugan also updated you. All accused have been identified. Teams are outside as well as within Shivamogga district. So the work is going on, and we are on the verge of closing out and completing the detection and getting the accused.
So a few organizations have also asked for permission to carry out a rally again, sir. Would that be granted to them considering the situation here?
No, I don't think that is this thing. There won't be any processions. See, as of now, prohibitory orders, and you are seeing the city today.
Yeah.
So we ensured that prohibitory orders are being implemented and people are not being allowed. So only after the relaxation of the prohibitory orders, anything can be done.
Sir, those who are arrested, are they affiliated to any organization? Because the minister himself, Mr. Ishwarappa, has claimed that they are affiliated to the SDP and PFI. Has police found?
As far as investigation is concerned, the interrogation is on, and we would come to a conclusion, and once the conclusions are drawn, then only we will be able to intimate the court.
Have you been ascertaining the motive behind this murder?
Again, it's only post, because we got only 2 accused arrested and 1 is under detention and others are being traced. So once we complete the interrogation and we arrive at a complete picture, that time it would be. We identified 14 different incidents which would require FIRs. So of that, about 3 FIRs have already been drawn, and in some cases, the victims of who lost their property or bike or this thing, we are trying to trace them to get the FIR done.
Thank you.